Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for rapare, the 3rd of July.
Right on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is Hararei.
Hararei means holiday.
On to health and safety news.
The clear sky UV forecast for today is low. Stay warm, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
There is Red Sox Mufti Day on Friday. Gold coin donation with proceeds going towards the Sir Peter Blake Trust.
Junior Kapa Haka is on in room 5 at morning tea.
Room 1 would like to welcome Harrison Stark. Harrison has 2 older brothers, Sullivan in room 9 and Mitchell in room 4. Welcome to Winton School Harrison.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Hararei, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.